Assalamualaikum my dear student, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIVS Home School. This is Sonia Khan Joya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Moniship. And today I am going to take an English language class for the student of class 2 student. And our today's topic is lesson 5 discussion and exercise 1-2. Look at the board my dear student. Our today's topic is lesson 5 discussion and exercise 1-2. Our lecture number is 6. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. New Enjoying Grammar book, lesson 5. Articles. The name of the lesson 5 is articles. Amina visited the zoo with her brother Aziz. These are the animals that they saw. In the zoo, these are the animals. A and an are used before singular nouns. A and an are used before singular nouns. They mean one of something. They mean one of something. An is used before nouns beginning with vowel sounds such as A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel sound. Before this vowel sound, we used an. A is used before nouns beginning with consonant sounds such as B, D, T, K, Z, S and so on. So, we used A before vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U, and we used A before consonant sound like B, D, T, K, G, S and so on. Here are some examples: an elephant, an ostrich, an eagle, an antelope. Antelope is a kind of animal. A tiger, a wolf, a lion, a camel. An elephant, E vowel. Before E we used an ostrich. O is vowel. Before O we used an eagle. E is vowel. Before E we used an antelope. And before A we used an. So A is also vowel. A tiger, T is consonant, so we use here A. A wolf, W is consonant, so we use here A. A lion, L is consonant, so we used here A. A camel, C is consonant, so we used here A. Read this sentence. I have a car. The car is green. I have a car. The car is green. A car means any car. Girls, listen. Student, listen to me. A car means any car. We use the car when it is clear which car we are talking about. When we have already mentioned it. A car means any car, but the car means when we have already known about this, and when it is clear which car we are talking about, this when we use the car or the or the. But a car use any cars. A use anything. Before anything or any person, anything we use A. Now then, so we know here, we say that a car means any car. We used A before anything, and we use the car. We used the or the when it is clear that car we are talking about, or when we have already mentioned it. When we have mentioned it, then we used the or the. So my dear student, let's start our exercise number 1. Complete these sentences with A or an. I am Rakesh Kumar. I am in class 2. I live in a flat. F before A, F is consonant, so use here A. I live in a flat with my parents. My father is an engineer. E is vowel, so before vowel we use an. He works in a factory. F is consonant letter, so used here A. My mother is an architect. A is vowel, so before vowel we used an here. Dear student, in your book there is a mistake, so you have to correct it. He works in. He works in an office. O is a vowel, so before O we used here an. I have a younger brother. Y is consonant, so used here A. Brother and an elder sister. E is vowel, so we used here N. Again I am saying, I am Rakesh Kumar. I am in class 2. I live in a flat with my parents. My father is an engineer. He works in a factory. My mother is an architect. She works in an office. I have a younger brother and an elder sister. The student, you have to correct this line. She works. This line will be she works in an office. So my dear student, we will start exercise number 2. Complete the sentences with A, N or D. Number 1. Maya saw an eagle in a cage. E is vowel, so before vowel we used an, and C is consonant, so before consonant we used A. Dash eagle escaped from the cage. The eagle escaped from the cage. Eagle, we have to know this eagle before, so we write here D, and again we have to know this case before, so we write here the eagle escaped from the cage. Number 2, I gave a banana to a monkey that belonged to my neighbor. B is consonant, so we write here A, and M is consonant, so we write here A. I gave a banana to a monkey that belonged to my neighbor. Number 3, the boy who ate a strange fruit complained that it was bitter. We used here the before boy because the boy specifically indicates that the boy who ate strange food. So we used here the boy. The boy who ate a strange food complained that it was bitter. Number 4. I have an apple and an orange in my bag. A is vowel, so we used here an. O is vowel, so we used here an. I have an apple and an orange in my bag. Number 5. Satish is an obedient boy. Satish is an obedient boy. Here O is vowel, so we used here an. Number 6. Tom wrote a letter to his friend. Tom wrote a letter to his friend. We used here because Tom wrote any letter. Any letter, that's why we used here A. And L is also start with consonant, so we used here A. I have a teddy bear. The teddy bear is very soft. We used here A because a teddy bear, any means any bear, and T also start with consonant, and the teddy bear is very soft because this teddy bear before have mentioned here, so we used the here. The teddy bear is very soft. Number 8. A rose smells sweet. A rose smells sweet. we used a. Here we used a because here identified article will be used because it is a general statement for the roast. Okay, it is a generalized statement for the roast that we used here. A rose smells sweet. So my dear student, again I am saying number 1 is the eagle escaped from the cage. Number 2, I gave a banana to a monkey that belonged to my neighbor. Number 3, the boy who ate a strange fruit complained that it was bitter. Number 4, I have an apple and an orange in my bag. Number 5, Satish is an obedient paper boy. Number 6, Tom wrote a letter to his friend. Number 7, I have a teddy bear. The teddy bear is very soft. Number 8, a rose smells sweet. And my dear students, your homework number is 5 and your homework exercise number 1. This exercise number 1 will be your homework. So my dear student, I hope all of you guys have understood today's topic and will do your homework. See you again inshallah.